Hello friends, do you know what day it is today? Let's take a look at the board and see if we can find out together. Do you see the last shape we did in our pattern? Let's see. Did you guess a blue rhombus or did you say a blue diamond? Either one would be okay. The blue rhombus was our last shape we drew on our calendar for yesterday, and you can call it a diamond or a rhombus. It's the same shape for both of those names. So we're going to move one square over and we're going to draw in our pattern for today so that we know when we're doing our calendar what day to come back to. So yesterday was a blue rhombus. What do you think today is? Let's see if you're correct. Let's go back to the beginning and let's do our pattern together. Red heart, blue rhombus, red heart, blue rhombus, red heart, blue rhombus, red heart, blue rhombus, red heart. Did you guess a red heart? We'll start up here. You can draw with me on your piece of paper, or you can do it with your arms in the air, okay? So we'll start up here and we'll go around and then down, and then we'll go back up and around and together. And then we can color it in. And you can draw your shape on your calendar or on a paper or in the air. Whatever you have is perfectly fine. So now that we've done our shape, I forgot to erase the date from yesterday. Let's take that off. Yesterday was Monday, February 8th, 2021. So today is the next square over and it's Tuesday. Do you remember how many days of the week there are? Let's count them together. Are you ready? Just try with me, even if you don't know yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. And today is Tuesday. So I have a Tuesday card here. And it starts with the letter T and it says T. T sounds like T for taco. Do you ever have Taco Tuesdays? Or tree or toy? T, and it's a capital T because it's the name of the day, and we always put a capital in names. So capital T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. Tuesday. So let's put Tuesday into our sentence, and our sentence begins with today is, and today begins with a capital T as well because it's the first word in our sentence. I'm going to put capital T because it's the name of our day. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, and then a comma. Tuesday, comma, and that comma tells us to pause for 1 second before we say the next word. And the next word is our month. Do you remember how many months there are in the year? Oh, I hear a really good guess out there. Let's see if you're right. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good job. Now let's say the names together. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. Do you remember what month it is? It's the second month. Can you see it? It's after January. February. That's right. So it starts with an F. F sounds like fun or Fred, or how about fabulous? F. F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y. February. February. So let's put February into our sentence. So it begins with today is Tuesday, and then we're going to put February, and we start with a capital F because it's the name of the month. So F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y. And next we need to figure out what the number is for the date. Do you remember what yesterday was? Let's go to our square for today. Now let's go back to yesterday. And yesterday was an 8. And do you remember we say 8th? So what comes after 8? Good guesses. Let's see if we're correct. Let's go back to the beginning and count together. It's okay if you don't know how to count yet. We'll practice together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did you guess 9? You can start at the top and make a loop and then go down. You can do it in the air with your finger. Loop and then go down, or you can write it on your calendar or your paper with me. Let's do it together. Make a loop and then come down. 9. Let's count backwards. See how well we do. Are you ready? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. Good job. So let's put a 9 into our sentence. Today is Tuesday, comma, February 9th. So we say 9 when we're counting, but when we put it in a calendar, we say 9th and then a comma. And now we're going to put in the year, 2021. 2021, and then a period. So let's say the whole sentence together. Are you ready? The period says stop, and the commas here tell us to pause just for 1 second before we say the next word. Are you ready? Say it with me. Today is Tuesday, comma, February 9th, 2021. Good job. And did you look outside to see what the weather's like before we got started today? I looked outside today and I was kind of excited. Is it cloudy where you are? We don't have any clouds at all today, so I'm very excited to go outside today. What about snowing? Do you have some clouds that are snowing where you live? It's not snowing where I am. What about rainy? Is it rainy where you are? It's not raining where I am. It's sunny. It's sunny today. So we'll take off the partly cloudy and put that away, and we'll put the sunny up. And will you help me find sunny on our weather chart? Oh, that was easy. It's our first one. And we already have 2 tally marks. So we're going to add 1 more tally mark. So if we have 2 plus 1, do you know how much that is? Let's practice making our tally marks so we can put it on the board and add them up. Are you ready? Put your finger to the top and strike it down. Do it with me, either on your paper or in the air, as we put it on the tally mark chart. Ready? Start at the top and strike it down. Now how many tally marks do we have? Can you count them? 1, 2, 3. Did you guess correct? 2 plus 1 is 3. Good job. So we have 3 sunny days so far in February. Next, we're going to do our agenda. And it's okay if you don't have one at home, but if you have one, you can follow along. I wrote my name on my agenda so that everybody knows it's mine. Nobody gets confused. CELYNNE and an apostrophe S. And this apostrophe S tells everybody that it's mine. Slins. So if you put an apostrophe S at the end of your name, it will let everybody know that it's yours. So let's put it on the board here. And yesterday I wanted to make a card and mail it to my mom, and I did that. I even went to the post office and mailed it in the mailbox. I had to buy a stamp and stick it on and put it in the mailbox. That was exciting. I like going to the post office. So today is Tuesday, so I'm going to put a capital T because it's the name of the day. TUESDAY, comma, and then February, capital F because it's the name of the month. EBRUARY, and then it's the 9th today, so I'm going to put a 9 and a comma, and I'm out of room, so I'm going to go down and come over here and do the year 2000, so 2021 period, 2021. And I'm going to practice my numbers up to 9. I want to practice my numbers every day so I get really good at them. So we're going to do up to 9. Ready? You can practice on your paper, or you can practice in the air, or you can just say them with me as we go along. It's all good practice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. And it is sunny where I am today, so I'm going to put a sun here so that I can remember what the weather is like when I look back into my agenda. And today I'm going to do another craft. I am going to do lots of crafts this week because it's Valentine's Day on Sunday, and I want to make lots of things for the people that I love. So I'm going to make flowers today, and you can check the channel for that video because there will be a video for that as well. So I'm going to make a stem like this with some leaves, and then I'm going to make, let's see, a purple flower. So we'll make a little circle in the middle, and then we'll loop. There's a couple different ways that you can make flowers. And we are going to use some pipe cleaners and tissue paper. So you need to check that out. And then I'm going to put my name at the bottom, capital CELYNNE, E. I want to practice printing my name every day so I get really good at it. So make sure you practice printing your name every day as well, and you'll be super good really, really soon. So if you don't know how to spell all of your words or make all of your letters yet, we can practice together. And right now we're practicing the letter B. Do you remember how to make the B from yesterday? You start up at the top and strike down, then you go back up to the top and you make two bumps, and that is an uppercase B. So start at the top. You can practice on your paper or in the air. Come down and then come back up to the top and make two bumps. Very good. Let's do it one more time. Start at the top and go down and then do two bumps. Good job. Now we'll do the lowercase b. So you can start in the air at the top and strike down and then just go halfway up and make a bump. So let's try that together. You can on your paper or in the air, strike down and then a B. One more time. Bring your line down and then a B, a bump for the letter B. Good job. I love it when you try. If you keep practicing your letters every day, eventually you'll be able to make all of them and you'll be able to print any words you like. And you can print letters, write stories, do all kinds of wonderful things. So yesterday I was nervous because I wasn't sure if I was going to get all of my stuff done because I needed to write that letter and put it in the mailbox so that the mail delivery person had enough time to get it to my mom before Valentine's Day. So I did that. I went to the post office and I mailed that. So I'm not really nervous right now. What else is there? Angry? Are you angry today? I'm not angry. It's okay to be angry though. Sometimes I get angry, like when I stub my toe, that really hurts. And so I kind of get angry. But that didn't happen today, so I'm not angry. What about sad? Are you sad today? I don't think I'm sad today. I hope you're not sad today, but that's okay if you are. Sometimes we're sad. You can talk to your grown-up. Maybe your grown-up will give you a hug, make you feel better. What about excited? Are you excited today? Are you doing something special? Are you really, really happy and jumping up and down, so excited for today? What about happy? Just okay. Peaceful? I don't know. I think I am just happy and peaceful today. Let's put that one on the board. And today, my nice thing that I'm going to do today, my kind thing, is I'm going to take some of the flowers that I make out of the pipe cleaners and the tissue paper, and I'm going to go put one in each of the mailboxes on my street. We just have a couple of houses on our block, and I'm going to make 5 and go put them in all the mailboxes so that everybody can have a little surprise when they get home today. What would you like to do today that would be fun? Would you like to make some flowers and put them in the mailbox for somebody to discover when they get home? A nice little happy surprise. That's something kind that you can do. Or you can make one and give it to your grown-up or a sibling or a grandparent, anybody you'd like. If you don't want to make a flower, just find something else kind to do today. Just make sure you make somebody else feel good. That's a really nice, kind thing to do. So I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.